Hey, didn't see you there. I'm Mike Hawk, and I'm the head of security down here at Retrofit Security Systems. With ever-evolving criminals, we need ever-devolving solutions to security issues.
Oh, hey. Do you need a good security system for your home or business? Well, get a hold of Mike Hawk. He's a great guy.
Alright, Jasmine, we'll have that quote out to you tomorrow morning. I hope Mike Cox helps you sleep better tonight. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I've just been helping Mike Cox thousands of customers sleep better at night. Mike Cox has helped many men, women, and children sleep better at night with Mike Cox standing straight up behind him.
Mike Hawk stood up for me.
Mike Cox stood up for me.
Mike Hawk stood up for me.
So, here at Mike Hawk, we have enhanced security techniques. Just recently, I was sent this video by one of our customers showing what our 24-hour, 7 days a week security will get you. This is my client's car, parked outside of his business, and I'm going to show you what happens when you mess with Mike Hawk. As you can see, this is why you need Mike Hawk in your life. If you mess with Mike Hawk, you're gonna pay the price. I'm Mike Hawk, and I'll stand up for you.
I love Mike Hawk.